Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Estate Experts. We're standing inside Sushant Lok Phase 2. This is Sector 57. Today we're on a plot size of 180 square yards, which is a 3-bedroom hall kitchen. That's the configuration of the house. Let's get started with the floor plan of the house and a little touring. जहाँ पर मैं अभी खड़ा हूँ, the place where I'm standing right now, this is the formal living space cum dining space of the house. Why is this a dining space? Because you're connected with the kitchen in the forefront of the house, and this is gonna be your living room. On the surface, you've got normal tiles on the surface, and when you talk about the ceiling design, this is a square ceiling design which has recessed LED strip lights inside it. Above me you will see a fan. On the left hand side, the wall stays to be an empty wall for the customization for the client. Anybody who buys it can get the customization done. This is the provisioning done for the air conditioning system. Again, you've got a square shaped ceiling design in the dining section, and this is a normal fan which you see above me. All LED lights inside the false ceiling design and outside as well. This side, where this is an entrance door from where we have entered the property, this is the foyer area, and on top of the foyer area you will see a rectangular ceiling design. It's a little long, which has again LED lights, yellow color LED lights, looks to be pleasant. This property also has a significance. Why? Because this time is the daytime. You can see that fixed glass window which is inside the kitchen, and the natural sunlight is flowing inside your house. You've got all the modular switches that you see across the formal living space. You've got the satellite wire which is pre-installed, so just have to call the chap and he will install the umbrella on your terrace. This is the first bedroom of the house, which has the tiling work on the surface. The false ceiling design is on the corners only. Side में आपका LED lights दिए हुए. Above me you see a small fan. This is the air conditioning unit that you'll be placing here. Provisioning यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है. Modular switches once again. You've got heavy switches. 32 ampere का इधर switch दिया हुआ है. This is also connected with the balcony in the front, and this specific first bedroom has a closet. ये closet में भी handles नहीं लगे हैं. This is getting installed. So we'll just showcase you from outside how does it look like. Now this is connected with the balcony in the front. You've got the natural stone on the surface. You'll see this steel ka railing hai yahan par, and you've got the toughened glasses. You talk about this. This is all textured. That's the place for your external air conditioning units to be hung. And again, on the ceiling design is pretty much simple. Show them the surroundings a little. How does the surroundings look like? And this is a gated community where you're at right now. And this is something which is a USP of this property. So nobody called as a trespasser will be able to enter inside your premises. Before we get inside to the first bedroom, once again I would want to show you that wet area. That's the tap given there, and you also have a drainage vessel. This is the first washroom of the first bedroom. Let me turn on the lights. This is the tiling work on the surface, and on the walls you've got the wall mounted commode seat, a running tiling shelf. All these sanitary fittings are going to be by Grohe and Jaguar. You'll see this highlighter designer tiles. This is the place where your vanity will be installed, and this is going to be your cabinet section. So you see this polythene is covered all over just because this is getting ready. Again, you've got the pre-installed wire. This is the place where you'll be placing your television. That side, if you see, the wall is left empty for your customization. This is the hallway area, the formal living space, dining space, and this is the second bedroom of the house. Tiling on the surface, a huge wardrobe section. This is your closet. Square shape ceiling design, again has got LED recessed lights. This is above me, you see a small beautiful fan. That's again a pre-installed wire given to you for satellite. This is the provisioning for your air conditioning system. On the right hand side you'll see this is a plain wall left for your customizations. This is also connected with the washroom here. We would want to showcase you incomplete today just because this is getting complete in the later stages. You've got the tiling work on the surface. On the right hand side you'll see on the walls you've got the designer tiles. This is a wooden textured tile. This is a wooden textured running a upholstery shelf. You will get the rain head. This is your drainage vessel, wall mounted commode seat, and the vanity will get installed very sooner at this side. This is the back side of the property. This is a UPVC door and window which is used. Metal का आपका railing है. This is also shared in common with the third bedroom of the house, and this is a natural stone on the surface. Surroundings का थोड़ा सा हम आपको ऐसे दिखा देते हैं. Back side में कैसा है? This is the provisioning for the geyser. ये आपका एयर कंडीशनिंग सिस्टम का प्रोविजनिंग है. यहाँ पर आप एयर कंडीशनिंग का यूनिट लगा सकते हैं थर्ड बेडरूम का, और उधर सेकंड बेडरूम का वहाँ पर, और उसका भी गीजर अलग प्रोविजनिंग दिया हुआ है टुवर्ड्स दिस साइड. एंड you've got a tap down there for specifically to use that wet area, and you've got two drainage vessels. One is this side, another one is this way. So let's get inside the third bedroom of the house now. This is the third bedroom of the house. Once again everything stays similar. The ceiling design is square in shape. You've got the closet, pre-installed satellite dish wire. This is the provisioning for the air conditioning system. On the right hand side you'll see a plain wall left for your customization, modular switches, and above me you'll see a small fan tiling on the surface. This is the washroom space. Sanitary fittings are going to be by Jaguar. Wall mounted commode seat. Few sanitary fittings are going to be by Hindware. This is a small shaft given to you, a rain head which is wall mounted, designer tiles on the walls, anti-skid on the surface, and you've got the drainage vessel beneath down here. This is the place where your vanity will get installed, and this will get covered with the cabinets. This is also connected with the balcony at the back side that we've just shown you a few seconds back, which you'll be sharing it with the second bedroom. This is all about this third bedroom. Let's get inside the kitchen area and let's cover it up. Please come. Possibly if I'm going to purchase this property, I'm going to bring an artistic painting and I'm going to hang it here because this is going to look more cool. You've got enough space out here. This is your kitchen. At the entrance of the kitchen you'll see on the right hand side you've got the wooden panel. This is by action. This wooden work is going to be by action. इसमें cabinets बनेंगे. This is again your cabinet storage. That's your glass window which will help the natural sunlight to flow inside your house from the kitchen and towards the living formal living space. This is a normal granite stone that you see, which is going to be a stain free, and you will also get the space to get your wet area over here. यहाँ पर मैं आपका यहाँ आपका wet area आएगा. इधर में आपका wet area है. Yes, you've got the drainage vessel here. यहाँ पर आपके sink लगेंगे. This will be done in cutting. और ये आपके cabinets हैं to keep your pepper, salt, maybe your cutlery, whatever stuff you wanna keep here. इधर में आपका gas का stove आएगा, your hob, and this way will be your chimney. This is some storage spaces that you can see out here. ये मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ. This is how is this gonna look like. And you've got, this is the space to keep your refrigerator. This is the company name of which the panels are getting installed. So you can zoom in here and you can show to our customers. On the surface you've got the tiling work. Towards my left, if you see this wall, this has again a highlighter tile. And this is the balcony of the house which is in the front. Once again we have entered inside the first balcony which was in the front, जो आप first bedroom के साथ share करेंगे. Again the surroundings stay same, nothing has changed. So this is primarily the property that we are at today. So time to sign off. Thank you so very much for watching Anupam Gambhir from Estair Experts. Don't forget to give us a call on the number listed below. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to give us your thumbs up. Thank you so very much. Bye bye. We're looking forward to serve you. Thank you.